Hello everybody, look at where I'm at. I am at Shell gas station here on Power Road. Oh, I forgot to put my keys in. I'm gonna be going to the car wash today. This looks like it used to be a Texaco. It has that old retro exit sign. And here we go. I forgot to put my keys in. The radio was on, but hopefully I will not get hit with a copyright, and if I do, I'll just have to edit that part out and trim the beginning of the video. This is a soft gloss, but this used to be a Texaco. It has that very vintage retro sign. You rarely will see those nowadays. It's a soft gloss max. So something tells me this may have been an older soft gloss, or it could have even been a Ryko Voyager. Or it could have been or an R7B, who knows. I got the works wash, but there's your menu pause if you want to read. Okay.
5, 6, 5.
There we go. That was an easy code to memorize. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed.